Hi, I'm Victoria.
And I'm Grant. We're students at Redeemer Christian High School. Curious about our school? Join us on a guided tour.
Redeemer Christian High School opened its doors in 1975, and our graduates are starting to send their children here. Students often gather in the foyer before and after school. If you need to visit our office, it's located on the second floor. The guidance area, art room, and library are near the office, as are the grade 9 lockers. Our classrooms are spacious and most have big windows to let in natural light. If students need to use a computer, we bring portable laptops in on a cart charged and ready to go. We have 2 dedicated science labs. The biology lab has counters with sinks and 2 work islands with power. The chemistry and physics lab has a fume hood for experiments. Inspirational Bible quotes and student artwork are displayed throughout the building. Technology courses are offered in our shop. Students learn how to work with wood and small engines. Student council meets in our student lounge to plan spirit days and fundraisers. Our music and drama studio is a creative space where students can make some noise. Beautiful sounding, of course. Across the hall is our cafeteria. Meal plans are available for purchase, or you can prepare your own lunch. It's fun to watch teams compete in our gym. We host interscholastic sports, such as basketball and volleyball. Students also enjoy participating in intramurals here during their lunch break. If you would like to come to Redeemer, plan a visit today. Call us at 613-723-9262 or email admissions@rchs.on.ca.